set my world on fire. I'm going up when we slow down. The summer high. Feel your heart race out in the state of mind. I found love in the city on Friday.
This is our 6th anniversary and our quarterly awarding. So, ginawa po natin itong event na to, of course, para magsama-sama, mag-enjoy tayo, at makapag-swimming kayo later after ng mga events natin and awarding. So, 6 na taon na po si JCR Serial. At sa 6 na taon na yon, may mga tao tayong nakilala, nakasama, at until now, nakakasama. So, lahat po na nandito, maraming salamat sa effort nyo. Kahit malayo yung venue natin, pumunta pa rin kayo to celebrate with our 6th year anniversary. So, sana lahat ng ma-awardan ngayon, mananalo sa raffle at sa ating mga games, ay makapag-enjoy kayong lahat, and advance congratulations. Again, maraming salamat sa effort at saka sa oras na binigay nyo sa araw na to. And happy birthday, Raymond! Yes!
Sometimes you find them when you're not expecting to wake up to a hurricane. Swept up a tornado of love. You're swimming in the flood.
Ayan, so happy 6th year anniversary JCR Serialty. Enjoy the day and awarding, and of course unlimited food natin. Nandyan, kukuha naman kayo. And ngayon, ang wish ko lang is sana mas lumaki pa yung JCR Serialty at makamit yung mga goals ng bawat ahente na nasa JCR Serialty. And at the same time, naway lahat ng makikilala natin bago is makatulong sa atin, and at the same time matulungan natin sila. Yun lang, and thank you.
Kaya naman itong araw na to, ito po ay araw para i-recognize lahat ng ating mga top sellers and awardees, kasi kayo yung reason kung bakit meron tayong 382 million sales!
You set my world on fire. I'm going up when we slow down. The summer high. Feel your heart race out in the state of mind. You set my world on
So again, thank you so much sa lahat na pumunta. Sana ma-enjoy natin tong araw na to at magkakabusog tayo lahat sa kaalaman at sa syempre sa tiyan. Okay?